Here are some more of my Gallerie items. And my 2 ginger jars here, I'm going to pull them out. You're going to see them. I'm deciding if I want to paint them. They are a perfect match right now for TT's space with the blue. This is TT's bedroom color. And those is, you guys, drum roll, if you want to hear where they come from in the price. Those came from my local roses. They are actually new for this spring season. You guys, they were only $15.99. It's $15.99, either $14.99. Make sure you do check them out. We're going to move some stuff around. This is a piece for my sister. And we're going to open up our other goodies, because I do know what they are, so that we can finish off my living room space. Now you guys, we are getting ready to unbox these Gallerie pieces so that I can bring you my living room tour. I'm going to have to still do some cleaning once we get this together, because this is real life. I live in my home. Now to you guys, we unboxed this. This is a piece from Roses, you guys, and I think it was $9.99. I have a couple more Roses pieces. This vase here came from Roses, and as you can see, it was $9.99. You know I'm a symmetrical and symmetry type girl. They only had the one. This probably is the float. There. As you can already tell what it is. She just need a good cleaning. All we know. And to you guys, what I have opted to do, they have regularly been throwing like 10, 15, 20% discount on their items. So another way for you to be able to snag you some of Gallerie, because they're still a little more on the pricier end. The easiest way to snag you some Gallerie pieces is the pieces you want when they put them on sale. If you purchase them, now the key is, long as I think it's like if you got a $350 order, they will do free shipping. So take advantage of that, because the one piece that I ordered, the shipping by itself was $35, right? Which I know if you're buying one thing, $35 is $35. But your girl always tries to save her money. So if you're doing a $300 order and you can get free shipping, well, you don't have to pay $35, plus you're getting your other items at a discounted price. Now this is typically what I do. Don't tell everybody to do this. This is what I do. When I buy pieces and they put them on sale. So when I ordered these, my total savings was like 80 some bucks, right? So this is what I opt to do most of the time. The amount of money that I saved, I will find me an item or a couple items that I can get with the amount of money that I saved for the discount. Now that's how I work. If you don't work that way, just utilize using their sales that they do create, because they do give you discount on certain items at certain times. That piece is among us. I do know these two pieces are the Havana vase. And if you notice, if you watched one of my other haul videos, make sure you're catching those haul videos, because I am attempting to bring you guys some good haul videos for more modern, up-to-date pieces. So with the Havana vase, and this is the Havana, I had already purchased 2. I ordered 2 more. And I was thinking today, because they're originally, you're going to see they're white. But I ordered this one to actually paint it. You heard me right, I'm finna to paint these gallery pieces. But in my space, I do have a set of white. This one will become silver. And I do need one that's probably a gold and a black. So I probably am going to order 2 more, because right now they do have the Havana vase marked down. This is the large one. They don't have any of the small one. I've been trying to snag me at least 2 of those. But on the larger scale here, they do have a marked 50% off, and this vase is like $40 something. The original price was $110 something. So and once again, that is that white Havana vase. And like I stated, you guys, we did purchase these 2 to paint them. When you see my living room, I have the other 2 white out that's next to my buffet. But we're going to go ahead and, next to my credenza. But we are going to paint these silver. I can't even read that. I think it says the original price was $99.96, so $100. But you can score this for $47 and some change for each piece. And I did do 2. So that's what's in that box. I am missing, I gotta reach back out to see Gallerie. I am missing my sconces. I'm going to open this. I do know this is the smaller cloche. This. I am missing my smaller version of the Asper wall sconces. I checked my email, and the way they said that it's supposed to be, now the box that came with the lips vase, I know should only been the lips vase, but it says it was with that. So we're gonna see. It said 5 boxes delivered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And I'm like, okay. Maybe here. This is sconce. It should be 2. Okay. So this is that Jewel's cloche. It is the smaller one. Because I do need the sconces so I can complete my living room look. There we go. We do have that. These 2 pieces, I'm trying to get the price right. This was like between the two, I paid right dead at $100 for both of them together. And originally this one was $50 and this one was $60. Okay, I may have paid the regular price for these because it was still a little discount, but I know this cost me like $100 for the two. And this is the smaller version of, they're still the Asper sconces, but these are the smaller ones. And if you watch my channel for any length of time, you'll know that as far as my main wall here in my living room space, I always keep 2 sets of sconces on each side of my mirror. Well, with the Asper sconce, I do like it, but I'm so used to seeing 2, I just felt like I needed something else right there. Probably didn't, but I still did go ahead and order 2. And I do have another idea for these sconces once we transitioned. Oh, look at this, you guys. She is just a mini version of the mama. So this is the baby version. But yet and still, she is still gorgeous. Look at the length of that. Now right now, this length of this is all more in comparison to my typical sconces, believe it or not. But I am going to hang those because we are trying to finish off my living room space. And we are loving it. Okay. Now, I got one more item to show you in this haul. This was the only color that they did have in. This color right now does fit TT space. But you know I'm a stickler for, if you find the right item and it's not the right color, spray paint is your friend. But you guys, this ginger jar, and I'm going to see if it has the measurements on it. And it is the brand is Home Essential Hand and Earth ginger jar. You guys, I scored 2 of these ginger jars from my local Roses for a whopping $14.99. Yes, you heard me correct. $14.99. I picked up 2. But then once I got home, I was like, well, tell me, why did you just get 2? Because you like symmetry in ginger jars. I like to see them in specific places, and like I say, spray paint is your friend. I said that I can still leave this color for TT space, but to put one in my living room or my kitchen, I'm going to still need white or silver. So I'm thinking about going back and snagging me 4 more of these so I can make 2 white and 2 silver. That's just how my brain functions, especially when I can get a deal. Now, to me, this is a massive score. This is a great score. And you guys, these things are probably 14-15 inches in height. Now, for the last piece. You guys remember this Gallerie vase? I bought this because I wanted it for my dining room table. They had 2 sizes, and I actually thought I needed this larger size, but I think it's too much for my table. So I went back and I ordered the smaller one. And as you can see, I know this will work because that box was way bigger. So there it is, you guys. Isn't she a beauty? Same design as the other one. Well, she is gorgeous. But this one will be featured in my kitchen some as well. And that's why I needed it. But there's the set. There's the mom and the baby. I hope you enjoyed this high-end haul video. And you guys, a key, and I mean a crucial key to me, this is one of my tips and my pointers, a crucial key to make your house have a luxurious. I still am a modern girl. Is you take your few of your high-end pieces, mix it in with a few low-end pieces, and they marry together well. Now you can't take any pieces, but if you get the right piece, they do marry together beautifully. Like I say, I can compare these in with, like I say, just a little $10 piece, $7 piece, whatever it is. They do marry well together, so keep that in mind. Now I do like spectacular statement pieces. So with that being said, I am going to link all of the items down below, and you know, still though this is Wayfair, and we have Wayfair, Z Gallerie, and the one vase from Roses. I can't link the Roses vases, which is this vase and that ginger jar, but make sure you do go check out your local Roses. Both of the Roses pieces are actually new finds that's in right now. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. Share the channel with your family and friends. Once again, we're on the road to that 10K. I appreciate you guys so very much. Now, maybe you have considered to become a paid member to the channel. I do have that link down in the description. If I'm not mistaken, we just have I think it's only one tier that I put in, and it's $5.99 or $7.99 for the month. But we do give you content that you get to see. You get to do the monthly live, but you get content as a paid member that you never ever get to see on the channel anywhere else. And I am loading a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff set to load in on the paid side, especially with the transition. You guys will get to see a lot of other little stuff along the way until we get ready to finish out my treatment, so we can make that next move, you guys. So, but you will get some of the other stuff behind the scenes for that as well. So do make sure you consider becoming a part of the VIP portion of the channel. But with that being said, thank you guys so very much, and until next time, I'll see you guys in another upcoming video.